Hi, my name is Sam Morgan, and this is going to be a tutorial series where I show you how to make your own loading indicator with HTML and CSS. Okay? Now we are going to be getting into a little bit of JavaScript to make the counter down below, but don't worry, it's just a little bit, and I will walk through that with you step by step. HTML and CSS are going to be the stars of this tutorial by far. Now, with that in mind, there is one thing we need to install on our machine to get started with this little project here. I'm going to go to code.visualstudio.com. Wait for that to load. From the home page here, I'm going to click on this triangle icon, and in here, I'm going to download the stable version for Mac OS since that's the operating system that I am on. Go ahead and click that button and wait for that to start downloading. Now, this might take a minute or two depending on your Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi is pretty quick, so it just downloaded right off the bat. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag that over to my desktop. From here, all we need to do is clear our downloads, minimize the Safari window, and I'm going to click on Finder. From here, I'm going to go into my Applications folder, and I'm just going to drag in Visual Studio Code, move, and now we have Visual Studio Code inside of our applications. If I close this and come over to my Launchpad, you can see if we type in Visual Studio Code, we can go ahead and put that in our doc right down here. Okay, that was just a little introductory video to get up and running with Visual Studio Code. I will see you in the next video where we actually start implementing our project.